Quick transfer. Power on the aircraft. Press the power button 3 times, the aircraft will enter quick transfer mode. After a successful connection, the aircraft status indicator turns from solid green to blinking blue. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your mobile device. Launch the DJI Fly app, and the system will give you a message prompting you to connect the aircraft. Tap to enter. Tap to join the aircraft Wi-Fi. After a successful connection, access the aircraft album and select shots to download at high speed. Power on the aircraft. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your mobile device. Tap to enter playback in the DJI Fly app. Tap the quick transfer icon in the upper right corner of the app. Tap to switch to quick transfer mode. Tap to join the aircraft Wi-Fi. Once switching is complete, you can enter quick transfer mode and select shots to download at high speed. Linking. The remote controller is already linked to the aircraft when purchased together as a combo. Tap Linking Guide in the bottom right corner of the DJI Fly app and follow the instructions to link the aircraft and remote controller. The remote controller is ready for linking when it beeps and its battery level LEDs blink. Press and hold the aircraft power button for about 4 seconds, and release it after hearing an indicator tone. When the aircraft battery level LEDs blink, the linking process has begun. Once linking is successful, the remote controller stops beeping, the aircraft and remote controller battery level LEDs turn solid, and the app displays the video transmission screen. Smart RTH. There are 2 methods to perform Smart RTH. Method 1, tap the RTH icon on the left side of the screen and hold. Method 2, press and hold the RTH button on the remote controller. The aircraft will also perform Smart RTH or land in the following situations. When the aircraft determines that the current battery level is only sufficient for performing RTH, a prompt will appear on the DJI Fly app confirming whether to initiate RTH. When the current battery level is only sufficient for landing, the aircraft will initiate forced landing. The pilot can slow down the landing speed by pushing the throttle stick upward, and moving the aircraft horizontally. When the aircraft is disconnected from the remote controller, the aircraft will perform Smart RTH by default. Flying Basics. Check the app flight interface and make sure that the aircraft has automatically refreshed the home point. Confirm that there are no abnormal reminders and the GPS signal is good. Tap the takeoff icon on the left, and then press and hold the prompt icon to enable auto takeoff. After takeoff, the icon will change to auto landing. Tap and hold the pop-up window to make the aircraft land automatically. Pull both control sticks all the way to the bottom of the controller, and then push them inwards or outwards. When the propellers start to rotate, gently push the throttle stick up to take off. The left control stick is for adjusting the aircraft's altitude and orientation. The right control stick allows the aircraft to move forward, backward, and to the left and right. After you start the motors, if the aircraft has not taken off, pull down the left control stick to stop the motors. If the aircraft has taken off, pull down the left control stick to land. Pressing the flight pause button once can make the aircraft brake and hover in place. You can view the flight distance, flight altitude, and speed in the bottom left corner of the app. Keep the remote controller antenna facing the aircraft during flight for optimal transmission. When the aircraft enters attitude mode, land in a safe location as soon as possible to avoid accidents.